Hey guys, welcome back to another video in this series. In this video we'll be learning about conditionals. So before we get into conditional, let me show you all the operators in Go. So pretty standard. You have for equality we have to equal to sign. For showing not equal to we have this sign. Greater than this, smaller than this, greater than equal to, smaller than equal to. We have not, which is an exclamation, and which is two ampersands, and or, which are two pipes. Okay, so those are all the operators in Go. So let's get into conditionals. So first let's make a variable age. Let's set it to 18, right? So in Go we have if. So let's say, hold on. So we have if, let's say if age is greater than equal to 18, then you put your brackets and let's print you are allowed, right? You have else if, right? So else if age is greater than 10, empty.println you are almost there, right? And you have else. So let's print you are nowhere close. So it's a pretty standard like you have in most of the other languages. So let's save that. Let's run. Hold on a second. It does happen sometimes. Clear. Okay, let's say go run main.go. Okay, we are allowed because it's 18. If it was 10, we'll get you're almost there, and if it was anything below 10, like 9, you are nowhere close. So those are your pretty standard if, else, if, and else. Now one thing you can do in Go is you can have you can assign a variable inside a if. So let me show you what I mean. So what you can do is you can say if, then you can assign a variable. Let's say a equals to 7. Then you can put a semicolon, and then you can put in a condition. So we can say greater than or equal to 7, fmt.println. You know what? Let's do a print f. Let's put a placeholder is greater than 7, greater than or equal to, let's say greater than or equal to 7, right? So let's save that. Hold on, let us put the placeholder. So we get 7 is greater than or equal to 7. So that's a way in which you can assign a variable and put a condition in a if statement, right? So that's that. Okay, so Go also has a switch statement. So let's look into that. So let's say superhero. Let's just say hero. Say hero. Let's assign it to say Batman. Okay. Then let's say switch hero. Then we can add our cases. So we can say case Batman. Then put a colon. Let's print Alan. Yeah, he is too good. Case. Let's put another case Superman. fmt.println he is good, but Batman is way better. And you can also put a default case. So you can say default fmt.println I have not heard of this superhero. Okay, so that's a basic switch statement in Go. So let's run it. So we get, yeah, he's too good. If this was Superman, we get he's good but Batman is way better. And if it's something else like Flash, I have not heard of this superhero. That's a typo. I have not heard of this superhero. So that's a basic switch statement in Go. Now you can also use a switch statement without a variable. So let me show you what I mean. So let's first declare a variable age. Say age is 18. Let's put a switch and let's not pass a variable, right? Now what you can do is you can use this basically like an if statement. So you can say case and you can add a condition greater than or equal to 18 colon, sorry. We can say you are allowed. We can add another case, age is greater than or equal to 10. Print ln, almost there. And we can have a default which acts like an else. Empty.println, you are almost there, right? So that's how you can emulate basically an if, else if, and else statement in Go with just a switch. So we get you are allowed. If this was 10, we would get almost there, and if it was anything below 10, like 9, we get you are almost there. Now in Go, what happens is, let's say if this is 18, what happens is Go checks the first condition. It sees age is greater than or equal to 18, and that's true, of course. So it runs this code and then it quits out of the switch statement, right? So to stop that behavior, what you can do is you can add something called as fall through. This will tell Go to not quit and check for other conditions as well. So if we save that, we run that, we get you are allowed, and we also get almost there because age is also greater than or equal to 10. And we can also put a fall through here, and if we run that, we'll get you are allowed, almost there, and you are on, wait, hold on. Okay, you are nowhere there. Okay, that's a mistake. So we get you are allowed, we get almost there, and we also get you are nowhere there. You're nowhere close actually. So that's fall through, which tells Go not to quit and check for other cases as well. So yeah, that's fall through. So that was conditionals in Go. In next video, we'll be talking about slices, arrays, and maps. So like the video if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it, and hopefully meet you in the next video. Bye.